Okay, so will you guys, can you stop doing that right now? Will you write on the top of your whiteboard the function 3x plus 5? I just said, did you throw away, I only said unit 7. Did you just go crazy? Okay, we'll replace those. All right.
No.
Okay, have a seat. No. Have a seat. All right, so your job is to write down y equals 3x plus 5 on your dry erase board. And then you can make a little table. I think we're going to use the same numbers over and over and over again. Negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So plug those in for x and write down on the dry erase board what you got. Hold it up for me to see, and I will give you the thumbs up if it is right, or the thumbs down if you have made a mistake. Yep, so your homework is the charts. And as you guys do this, you should see some patterns as you fill out the numbers. Always looking for patterns when we're doing math, so they can make our lives easier, okay? Oh, Luis, you're killing me, man. I'm an old man. My eyes are bad. I can see it, but in the future, for the next one, be aggressive. Okay, that is correct. That is also correct. Oh, and you did the next one? I'll have to wait on that because I haven't done that one yet. I haven't seen what it is yet. Yeah, so once you write it on the dry erase board and I confirm that your answers are correct, then put it on your homework paper. Love it and also love it. Okay, if you are having some issues, we're just plugging -1 in there for x. So -1 times...
Oh, for x, I was plugging it in.
got it. Nope, plugging it in for x. Okay, perfect. Yes, so -1 times 3 plus 5. Awesome. Positive 2 is the first one. That's correct. Yeah, so hold it up to me. Have you got it yet, Matthew? Okay. Let me see. Yep, that's the first one. Let me see what you get for that one on your dry erase board before you go on. Perfect. Okay, so... Okay. Yep, you definitely got it, Weston. Good. Okay. So take in this equation right here and plug in... Oh, okay. Got it. Sure, since you, but in the future, just put them down on your own. Okay, so this one is 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. Okay, I think everybody got that. All right, so now move on to the next one. It's a little bit trickier because we've got some parentheses in there. When you come up with your answer, again, hold it up for me so that I can see it. Luis, I don't like your first answer. You're ahead of the game. Okay. Okay, awesome. McKenna, you got that? Copy those down in your theme. Okay. Yeah. If it was -1 times -1, it would be +1. But it's -1. Yep, good. And then you multiply that by 3 and add 5. Yeah. Okay, Matthew, not seeing much from you yet on your dry erase board. Did you get the first one? Did I miss it? Okay, and then that's correct. Okay, perfect. Once you get the thumbs up from me, then copy down what you have on your homework. You're not going to do it on the dry erase board. Too cool for that. Well, way I can check and... Okay, if you do it on the dry erase board, then I can check and make sure you're right before you make a mistake. Yeah, I know. He's pretty cool. It's not what you said with your words. It's what you said with your actions. Okay, love it. Perfect. Drop that down. Okay, did everybody get number 2? Yep, awesome. Perfect. Jaren or still working on it. Okay. Hey, Alexa. Okay. Did you get the homework done from yesterday? Okay. Do you want to do that now? Okay. I know. Okay. Love it? Love it. All right. Everybody get number 2? Not yet? Okay. Did you copy them down in your? Okay. No, but I'm recording this, so you guys will just be like a half day behind. Is this the third one? Okay, not. Okay, yes, that is beautiful. This is number 3 now? Okay. Okay. All I need, I guess I was hoping you'd come in with it then, but just within the video we go through the rest of this. So just listen to the video and jot down the answers as we go. And we're doing this right now, yeah, but then you can do that on Monday, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yep. Awesome, Dylan. Ooh, except that first one. I don't like that first one. So if you put -1 into there, -1 minus 2 is -3 because we're subtracting, not multiplying. That's for number 4, and you have the equation written down, so that's okay. Yep, good, you got it for sure. No, that's okay. I just like yelling at Louis. Okay. Yes, now you got it. Talia's on number 4. Most of us are on number 3. Are you on number 3, Matthew? Which one are you in? Yes. 2 to the -1, and then take that and multiply by 3. Yep, that's right. So what? Good test, man, in case you want to, this is for which one? 4. Let me catch up. Okay. Yep, awesome. All right, so hopefully most of you guys have number 3 done. Okay. Still going from there. So that's for number 5. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. Number 4, and I love it. No, thank you. It would be, you're plugging in 0. So 0 minus 2 is, you do inside parentheses first. -2, right? Okay, Dylan? Oh, sorry. No, because this does not work out to be 0. 0 minus 2 is -2. Oh, I see what you're doing. Gotcha. Okay. I see what you're doing. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times -2 is -6. And then plus 5. I see. Okay, good. And then what does that work out to be? Awesome. Okay. Yes, yes. You make it a black inside into a fraction instead of being 3. Knock it off. Yes, that's exactly right. Okay, so type in 2, and then it's the button that looks like a roof, and then go negative, not minus, -1. Yep, and then enter, it should say 0.5. Okay, so you plugged in -1 and got, let me get my head here. Okay, 3. And it's for the second power. Awesome. So yeah, you're doing great. Oh, sorry. Okay. You got it? Plugging in -1. So clear it first, so you got that. So -2. And then the X is that one right there. And then -1, not minus. But it's times 6. And then you get successful. That you put the minus sign, and you should use a negative. Nope. If you put in -1. Yep, gotcha. Good. Okay. Things are getting crazy, huh? Again, encouraging you to look for patterns. You shouldn't have to just enter each one of these into your calculator. You should be able to see what's happening. Yep, that's right. Okay, so this is the 51. Yeah. Yep, you got it. Good. -1, 0. Yep, good. Keep going. Okay. Yes. Yep, good. Oh, I already fixed it. Okay, you're on number 5 now? Okay. Yes. Two. Okay. No. See how they have parentheses around the X minus 1? So you need parentheses around those 2 negatives. So there's 2 that whole thing. 2x on it. Yep, now go parentheses, -1. And then you actually, this is really weird, but you have to go -1 for the first one and then -1 for the second one. And then close the parentheses, thank you, and then go times 2. Yeah. I think so, yeah. -1, yep, good. Is that the same one? Okay, yeah. So what did you get for the first one here, Nathan? 1.5. Okay. And you got what? Uh-huh. Awesome. Yep. Okay. Good deal. So I think you've got it. I think you've cracked the code. Matthew, Lindsay, we guys refocus, please? Well, I don't know. Some people are on number 8. Nathan's on number 6. Do you see the pattern? Okay. If you see the pattern, then it saves you a lot of time. Yes, that's right. It's great, but it's true. Exactly. And the reason why it keeps doubling is because it's a 2 as the base of the x. You have solved the mystery. Yeah. So that means all you need to do is get the first one and you can save yourself. Right. And again, the reason why it's times 2 is because that's 2 right there. And that's a lot easier than something. Oh, okay. That's a smart guy, huh? Yes.
I couldn't do the whiteboard.
To start with, you mean?
Yeah.
Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, because it's good, because it's 2 as the base of the exponent. Yep. Yep. Good. Get some extracurriculars in there. 0.75, 1.53612. Good. Lizzie, you have your homework from? Yeah? Okay. Awesome. Can I take that one? The homework?
That's all you did.
Yeah. I'm just asking if you did.
Okay. Are we not supposed to do that front side then?
Yeah, was that not on there? Okay, can you try and figure that out on your own? And let me know if you need help. Oh yeah, that wasn't on there because we just did that. We just did that by itself. But I think you can get that. Done with front side? Okay.
I don't know what the second and third equivalent forms are yet.
I don't think so, right? Or is it?
Yeah, you got some issues
Here?
starting right here.
All the way through?
Yeah, when you put in 1 to this, 2 to the first is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. So that shouldn't be 4.5, that should be 6. So I think what you did is you looked at the first 2 numbers, and you thought it's going up by 1.5. Right, but these ones, all of these, right, so all of these, exactly, since it has the exponent, that means that they're geometric. Okay? So you probably had the first,
These are all there.
because, no, I didn't read the bottom one yet. Hang on just a second, Lindsay. -1, 7, and then you're going down to 5. Right, because there's a -5 in front. Yep. Okay, good. It's on the back. Okay, let's put the back together as a class. Yes. Okay. So what we are doing with that is you just need to come up with 2 numbers that add together to be 10. Okay, so if you write it as 2 to the 5th times 2 to the 5th, since when you multiply the bases together, you add the exponent, that would make it be 2 to the 10th. And then what are two numbers that multiply together to be 10? So if you go 2 to the second and then put that in parentheses, the whole thing, yeah, and then go to the fifth, just put a fifth power on the outside, there you go. Then in this situation, when you have a power to a power, you multiply them together. So this works out to be 2 to the 10th because when you're multiplying the bases, you add the exponent, right? And that's what they're showing right here. 3 to the 5th times 3 to the 6th is 3 to the 11th. This works out to be 2 to the 10th because when you're raising a power to a power, you multiply the exponent. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? So try and repeat that for the remaining ones. Okay, how are we doing?
So it switches. So this one is times
Mm-hmm. No, for those of you adding 3.
adding,
Right.
adding 3. These double or subtract or
Times by 2, yeah,
times by
double it.
2,
Yep.
this is minus 5.
Yep, perfect. Uh-huh. What are you looking at for that? Number 12? Oh, yeah, I mean, I would just plug in negative 1, 0, 1, and 2 again.
Opinion and idea.
So did you guys just go negative 1, 0, 1, 2? So is this one 2? Right? Okay, minus 5 every time. Okay, so what you guys were supposed to notice from this, most of you guys figured it out, when it's multiplication in the formula, then that turns it into an arithmetic sequence. So it just goes up by this number each time, okay? That's basically the slope of the line as you're going through and doing this. But when it's an exponential function, then that makes it a geometric sequence. So instead of going up by the same amount, it multiplies by this every single time, all right? So as soon as you can see that, then these are all pretty simple problems for us to do, okay? All right, so let's take a look at the back side. Let's do this together. So there's two different ways to write things that have fractional exponents. One is using the root symbol, and the other one is using the exponent, okay? And the way that you can remember which part of the fraction is what is the number on the bottom of the fraction is the root, just like on the bottom of the trees, there's the roots, right? The roots of a tree are on the bottom. Weston, yeah? Roots of the tree are on the bottom, and then the power goes on the top, okay? So if I'm going to take this and rewrite it in exponential form, thanks, have a good weekend. See you guys on Monday. So I'm going to write this on exponential form. What is the root here? That's the power. The exponent is like the power, right? The root is the thing here. So the root of that is what? 3. So that goes on the bottom of the fraction. And then the exponent or the power goes on the top. So that is 5 to the 2/3. Yeah. So the cube root of 5 squared is the same thing as 5 to the 2/3. Okay? Okay, we can go the other way then too. If we start out with the exponent and we want to write it in radical form. So the 16 goes in there. 16 to the what power? Nope, the 4th is the bottom. That's the root. Yep, so the power is, the exponent is a 3, and then the 4 is the root. Okay?
So this would be square root 8, no, 9. Oh, what? Oh, I was looking at the one below the...
Okay, so will you guys try number 15, write that in exponential form, write it on your whiteboard, hold it up to me when you think you've got the answer, and I will tell you whether you're on the right track or not. 15. No, because you can't multiply the 5 and the 3 together because they have different exponents. So they're actually going to be 2 different ones. It's going to be 5 to the... Red alert! Happy red alert! 5 to the 7/3. Yep, that's good. Awesome. Okay. Yep, so Luis, the exponent on the 5 is a 7, so that goes on top. And then the root is 3. Well, that's convenient that you answered the phone. Okay, so what will it be for the 3? 3 to the what? Yep. Awesome. Okay, I don't know if we'll be here anyway. We might just decide to go downtown and get some pizza or something. Okay, so now for 16, go the other way. And again, show me on your whiteboard. I can't see. I don't know, I can't see it. Oh, because you yes.
I got this.
Yes, you do. Good, Matthew. Okay. And I like them both, Aaliyah. Okay. 13 over 3. Yep, you got it, Louis. What happened to the other 9 that was being...
Oh, okay.
So 9 to the 4th times 9 to the 2nd. And then just in case you guys are curious, not to confuse things, but on number 16, since the bases are the same, you can actually add those exponents together underneath the cube root and make it the cube root of 9 to the 6th. Okay? Matthew? Okay, hold on, I'm not quite there yet. Luis, you got 17. McKenna, you got 17. Talia, you did. You guys do 17 yet? You did? Okay. Matthew, did you get 17 already? Okay. Yeah, that's right. Can you help Weston? It says what now? To the 1/3 power, because this 27 is to the 1st power. Yeah. Okay. So if it doesn't have an exponent on it, then there's always a 1 hiding there. So Luis, the 27, just like Matthew and I were just talking about, since the 27 is under the cube root thingy also, it goes to the 1/3 power. Because it was 27 to the first, and then the root is a 3, so it's 27 to the 1/3. Darren and Riley, did you guys get number 17? Okay, love it. Okay, so Weston, the exponent is 13? Oh, yeah, you got it. Okay, my bad. And that's 21 over 5. Okay, what did you say, Louis? The A and the... Oh, you're on the next one, sorry. So then, yes, it would be 27 to the 1/3, A to the 5/3, B to the 2/3, right? Holy moly, what's happening with number 19? That one's easy, Talia says. Nope. Okay, remember the 32 and the 243 are to the first power, right?
Yeah.
So that's going to go on top of the fraction, and the 5 goes on the bottom. Talia, let me see what's your... you have 13 over 15 on the top. I think you just made a typo on your writing, but I think you got it. Okay. X to the 13 over 5. 243 to the 1 over 5. And y to the 15 over 5. Okay? Which again, yeah, again, not to muddy the waters. 15 over 5 does reduce to be 3. So you could do that if you wanted to. But I would not mark that wrong. Okay, will you guys do number 20 on your own? I know there's a few other things to do on this homework, but we will get to those on Monday. You guys have had a great day. So finish up 20 and we'll call it a week, okay?